here's everything you will need. Almond flour, coconut sugar, pumpkin puree, almond milk, egg, melted coconut oil, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, brown ginger, and vanilla. So we're going to start by combining our pumpkin puree, almond milk, egg, and oil. So once you've gotten that really well mixed, we're going to go ahead and add our sugar and vanilla to that mixture. Next, we're going to add all of the dry ingredients. So the almond flour, coconut flour, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and ginger. So now we're going to put our batter into our donut pan, which here we have some silicone donut pans for little cake donuts. I got these on Amazon, so they're pretty easy to find. We're just gonna fill them up, not quite to the top, but almost to the top. Now we're gonna bake these in a 350-degree oven for approximately 15 minutes or until they look done. That's the best I can give you with this one. Okay, so our donuts are done and we wanted to put a nice topping on them. Now, this is a very healthy glaze. It's not strictly paleo, but it's super healthy and it's made up of 3 ingredients: coconut oil, chocolate chips, and a little bit of coconut cream. You enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also really enjoy these vegan pumpkin muffins. Go check them out right over here. Also an easy and delicious recipe. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we would love to hear from you, and share it with all your friends. Also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. See you guys next time.